Wheelie. Hold on. Wheelie. Let's see. And guess what I just got in the mail? The boy didn't get a nice little package. Let's go ahead and bust him over. Yes, sir. Wheelieguard short fuse moto. Let's pepper mo pepper. If y'all didn't know, man, this Wheelieguard is by Short Fuse Motorsport. Make sure y'all stay tuned and watch this joint. This is about to get crazy. Boy, I'm mad at my business, boy. What you talking about? Where is your drop? Where's your pants? That boy looked down like they gone? Yeah. Gone where? What is that?
It's up there.
Boy, if you don't get Woody and Buzz up out of here and go put on some pants, boy. But listen, man, we about to break this box down and figure it all out and put him together. Because we got a banger coming up. It's about to go down. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Alright, y'all, we got the box unwrapped, whatever. Okay. You got the screws, you got all the joints in there. Got the tire. Alright, here we got all the tools in here to make us a perfect Wheelieguard. If y'all didn't know, this is a Wheelieguard. Yes, I said it, a Wheelieguard. This is to help you improve on your wheelies. Y'all know your boy Tay Young need to step it up a little bit. But nah, we ain't gonna joke on me today. But even if you do know how to wheelie, a Wheelieguard is good for like professionals that's trying to learn something new. Can't really get the trick down pat, keep following, whoop-de-whoop, whatever. Wheelieguard will help you, whether you experienced or not experienced. And I'm gonna be the first to tell y'all, it's lit. And I got a surprise for y'all because this video is sponsored by Short Fuse Motorsport. So stay tuned for my next 2 videos based on the Wheelieguard. It's going up. I don't know, man, this looks real complicated. I have printed some instructions, and by the way, I'm trying not to be so loud. It's kind of late. My family is upstairs sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. I'm trying not to make that much noise, but I need to start pushing these videos, so that's y'all my main priority. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.
3:28 a.m.
I'm lost. I'm confused already. Alright, so far I got the long pivot bar attached to the joiner, and I also have all of this attached to the main bar. And this is the short pivot bar. This little piece right here is the short, this silver piece is the short pivot bar. So I got the wheel on. So far it's pretty much done. I just gotta throw it on the bike. I still gotta tighten up all the bolts too. I ain't tighten them up. Really confusing at first, but it starts to make sense as you put it all together piece by piece. This video I had to watch like a million times. Cause like they got like different, like that stuff look a little different than the one they sent me. So you just kind of gotta like guess, or like, I mean it's not that much different, but it's not exactly the same. So it's just not like put A into the A hole, like, you know what I'm saying? Huh? It is what it is. I think it's gonna be good enough to work. It looks pretty sturdy, feels pretty sturdy. I'm about sleepy as shit. Like I told y'all, it's real late. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next videos. I'm about to go to bed. It's like 3 in the morning. Alright, y'all. So I'm at the point where I got, y'all see the wheelie bar on there. For the most part, it's all the way on there. I ain't tightened nothing up on the bike. But beside all that, this long piece here goes through the axle, and it don't fit, y'all. Like it don't go in, it don't fit in this hole. It fits on the other side, but this is like it gets smaller at this end inside of there, and it stops, so it don't go all the way through. So like I'm gonna show y'all. Take that out, slide this in. See? So it's not going all the way through, and it don't fit on this side to even go through it all. So I looked in there and I seen what it looked like, and yeah, so like I know that that's not how it's supposed to be. It does not fit at all. So at this point, I don't know what to do. I'm thinking about drilling. I don't know if I should drill a hole. Like I was trying to drill through that extra on this side and, you know, shave it off, but I don't know. I just stopped. I didn't know if that was a good idea or not, but I don't know what to do. And this is mind blowing for me because I need to be done. So if you have any idea of what I'm supposed to be doing, please comment down below, because the instructions aren't too clear on that part, like at all. So I don't know. I guess this thing's so universal, they can't really be specific on every bike, but shit, I need something because this thing needs to work. So I need to know what I need to do.
It's good because your axle rod is gonna be fatter. It's the one that we recommend, that the one that always comes in the package, the fatter one. So it gives a little bit more strength. Okay?
Yeah.
Option 2, I understand that like not everybody wants to fucking drill through their rear hollow axle.
Yeah.
So you were supposed to get a universal axle rod with your Wheelieguard. But you never got it. I will send you a universal axle rod. Tomorrow they're shipping them, actually tonight, because in China right now it's like 10 a.m. It should be there within 5 to 7 days.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And that universal axle rod will work.
Okay.
And also what I'm going to do for you, man, is because, like, you know, you have your Wheelieguard, you're probably super stoked to start doing this shit. And
yeah, I'm ready to get it going, man. I
know.
I got the unboxing video. I'm actually recording now as I'm on the phone with you, so I can finish that video now. And then I'm gonna do 2 more videos. Alright, y'all, before my camera died, y'all got to hear from the man himself, Short Fuse Motorsports. Missing a piece for like for my bike, because like I said, they got it's a whole bunch of bikes. They can't probably pinpoint what exactly this person needs for their specific bike. So no problem, my boy's gonna send me the right piece that I need to go through my axle, and I can get going with the Wheelieguard. Or I can do what I was doing and drill the hole and just make enough room for the axle, that the rod that they did send me, make enough room for that to fit through there, which I'm really thinking about doing, because it's not really going, I don't think it's gonna really hurt the bike, but I don't know, I'm thinking about doing that though. It just depends on how long before I get the rod that I need. I'm really excited to get it going, really excited for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Whatever I do is gonna be in the next video for the Wheelieguard. So just stay tuned for the Wheelieguard. I got y'all. Y'all see it, it's here, it's going down, and your boy about to get his wheelies up. Yeah, man, hey, I had to. Y'all talk y'all but don't be asking to borrow my because I ain't going. My thing then came in the mail. I got the rod that fit. I might have to cut this joint because it's kind of long, but it fit though. I done already tested it. I just gotta bolt it up, tighten this down, and the wheelies begin. The right rod came in the mail. Like I told y'all, got it installed. Mike can trim that down a little more, but I mean, it's not too crazy where it's gonna be hanging out crazy. I did cut it, so on this end, we are ready to pop some wheelies. Hope I did everything right and ready to ride. I hope y'all like this video. I hope this video helped y'all out. If y'all did, buy the Wheelieguard for yourselves. Let me know, man. Drop some comments down in there if y'all got this Wheelieguard, if y'all want the Wheelieguard, what y'all think it's gonna do, how y'all think it is, y'all think it's gonna help me or not. Let me know, man. Y'all think, I don't know, man. I think it might get me that confidence I need, get me over the hump. So we gonna see.